So I got my old Zippo. I guess it got a curse in it or something, but I've tried everything. I've tried. I bought a brand new Zippo wick, Zippo cotton. I got a Zippo fluid, and this old fucking replica is the same fucking thing. It light once in a while, but then it's just doesn't wanna light. It lights like 1 out of 50. My thumbs are messed up. And I've tried different fuel levels. I've tried to soak it, I've tried not to soak it. I don't got a proper Zippo flint in it. It's a from old Big Lighter. They say you get better spark. It seems like when I did fill it up, it works one or twice directly, but then it's completely dead. I'm out of ideas. This is from 2003. I got it from an old mistress. She said, I can't use it because I get doesn't matter. She said I can't use it. My thumbs are getting fucked up. Yeah, no shit. Yeah, she's right. What the fuck can I do? I would be very grateful for advice that could help me with this one. Sorry for my bad English. I didn't really plan this. I'm just a stupid old Swede.